In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new sales form styles in QuickBooks Online. Let's dive right into it and get started with customizing your forms to give them the professional and personalized touch that reflects your business brand. To begin, you'll want to locate the gear icon, which you'll find right at the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is your gateway to accessing a variety of settings and customization options. Go ahead and click on it to open up the settings menu. From the list of options, look for Custom Form Styles and select it. This feature is where the magic happens, as it gives you the flexibility to create and manage the different styles of forms that your business might need. Once you're in the Custom Form Styles section, you'll see a list of any form styles you've previously created. If you're starting fresh, this list might be empty, but don't worry, as we're about to change that. Now, you'll want to create a new style. To do this, click on New Style, which is also conveniently located at the top right of your screen, just like the gear icon was. Here, you will have the option to choose among invoice, estimate, or sales receipt. Pick the form type best suited for your current need. Before you dive deeper into customization, you'll have the option to start with a predefined template. This can be a great time saver if you want a professional look without starting from scratch. Next, a vital aspect of customizing your forms is integrating your business identity. This is where adding your logo comes in. Make sure your logo is clear and high quality, as this will be the graphic representation of your brand on all customer-facing documents. After placing your logo, you have the freedom to infuse your forms with your brand's colors, choosing shades that align with your branding. Following this, pick a font that complements your business style and is easy for your customers to read, maintaining a balance between uniqueness and professionalism. Content customization is next, enabling you to tailor each section to fit your needs. Click on any area, and you'll see options to check or uncheck fields you wish to include. This is particularly useful for ensuring your forms provide the right kind of information based on the transaction type and the client's needs. Lastly, you can customize the email associated with this form style, crafting a message that will be sent alongside the form when reaching out to your customers. Once you've made all the desired changes, it's wise to take a quick look at how everything turned out by clicking Preview PDF at the bottom right. If you're satisfied with your new form style, click Done. Your newly crafted style will now appear in your Custom Form Styles list, ready to impress your customers. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for joining me today, and happy customizing.